Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21 and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the system section. After that, tap here to advanced, and if the developer options, if they are activated, you'll see here this section. So just click here, and now just to hide them you should click here only once on the switcher. Now we can see that all of the options they are blocked. And when we'll go back to the system section, we can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it. That's how to hide developer options on our Nokia device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.